Hello, this is Garemore, and this is my PS4 Portal project. I named it that because it looks like a PlayStation Portal. Yet, there are some good things and some bad things in this update. The good thing is that I now have the L1 and L2 buttons, and they actuate, as you can hear. And no joysticks because the controller that I was using, well, I bought a new one and it died. And I also got the PlayStation home button here, and you're wondering what this is. The controller model that I chose didn't have any test points for an RGB LED, so I just put the light board here. This hole is for a microphone which is not installed, and I had to replace this power indicator because I damaged it. I also removed that what was the Wi-Fi pairing button. I just filled that hole in, and I can show you. It does turn on, so it's not. No signal because there's no Wi-Fi adapter installed. If you can see through, I added in a USB port so I can plug in any Wi-Fi HDMI adapter, and the HDMI port is this here. And you can see all the the power stuff, and here's the new volume control circuit that I added. It is also held together with one screw in addition to the controller screws, and there was supposed to be a screw over here, but the case broke when I tried to drill that part, so that's why there's no screw there. And here's the Wi-Fi to HDMI adapter. This is actually the new one because the old one died. Little did I know, these adapters actually have 2 circuit boards on them, not just one. Here's the USB end. I thought that was just like a power supply or whatever, and it wasn't really required, so it turns out there are circuits on here that this device needs to run. They're connected by a 4-wire cable. When I see 4 wires, I think, I didn't think there would be 2 circuit boards in these adapters. And they're connected by this cable, which I have shortened because, well, as you can see, there's a lot of components in here. There will be even more once I finally get a working controller in here. I was also going to put screws on the top, but you can see there's a bunch of circuitry and wires, and I don't want to accidentally drill into those, so that's why. Sorry to disappoint you this video. Oh, and here's the transmitter side of the Wi-Fi to HDMI adapter, if you want to see that. I think I better go now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores. Links are in the description. Goodbye. Oh. So, don't expect this device to be completed until next year, or at least next fall or winter.